Welcome to Instructional Videos. Today we are going to set up the Verge floor display. So first thing you want to do is remove all the parts from this convenient carry case. So first thing we're going to do is identify the top of our frame. So the top of our frame has the light clips and the bottom portion of the frame has the little black feet. So first thing we're going to do is completely open our frame. So I'm just going to pull up and open the frame. And then you're going to clip all the internal clips together. So I'm just going to push the clips together. Once you have the clips all together, we're just going to lay our frame on a clean, flat surface. Now that we have the frame laid down, we're going to begin to connect all of the channel bars around our frame. So the channel bars connect to the front and sides of our frame so that we can install the graphics. So I'm just going to start at the top, and you're just simply going to push in the nub on the bar to the hub on the frame. And you're just going to simply keep working around your frame, connecting all the channel bars. Now that I have my channel bars all attached, I'm ready to install all my graphics. So I'm just going to start with the face graphic first. When installing the graphic, you want to make sure that you start in one corner, work opposite, and then go across and then back up, and then connect the sides of your display. So I'm going to start in the corner up here, and I'm just going to push the SEGs on the graphic into the channels on my frame. Now I'm going to work across. And then back across. And then back across. Now that I have all my corners connected, I'm just going to connect my sides by pushing in the SEGs into the gaskets. Now that I have my front graphic attached, I'm going to repeat the exact same steps for my side graphic. Once you have your graphic attached, we're ready to attach the feet. So to attach the feet, you're simply going to slide the holes of the feet onto the black hubs on your frame. So you're going to insert the first foot in to the hole, and then slide it down to the second foot, and insert it into the hole. And I'm going to repeat for the other side. Now that you have your feet attached, you're ready to stand your display up into standing position. So to stand your display up, you don't want to grab the channel bars. When lifting it up, you want to grab the frame. So I'm going to grab the frame and lift up. Once you have your frame into standing position, you'll just need to adjust the feet, and they simply just slide. And it's just that easy to set up your Verge floor display.